Hello everyone. In last lesson we studied about constant, variables and data types. So before starting the new lesson we just recall once what are the variables, what are the constant and what are the data types. So constant are the values that can't be changed or they are the fixed values. Other than that, variables are the values that stores the data, or you can say, let us take an example. A is equals to 10, then A will be defined as a variable and 10 will be defined as the constant. Now next was the data types. Data types are the type that defines a variable. Is it integer type, float type, character, boolean, whatever it is, it just defines the type of the variable. Now coming up next with a new lesson is the operators. Today we will studying operators. What are operators? Operators are those you can say operators that are used to perform any operations, and in an expression we use these operators in an expression to perform an operation. Arithmetic operation can be there, it can be relational operator, it can be conditional operator. So just start with the arithmetic operations. So an expression is an operators and operand. It is an expression is a combination of operators and operands to perform an operation. There are many type of operators. First is the addition. Addition is basically used to add two numbers or three numbers and whatever. Other than that, next is subtraction, to subtract a number. Multiplication, to multiply a number. Division is to divide a number. Modulus is that operator that returns the remainder. When we divide a number, modulus is used to return a remainder. Then addition assignment. Addition assignment you can write as x plus is equals to 1. That means x is equals to x plus 1. As you can see, this is the assignment operator. In the same way, there is a subtraction operator. That means x minus is equals to 1. That is x is equals to x minus 1. In the same way, we have multiplication assignment and then other is division assignment. We all have these modulus assignment too, that will return a value like x mod is equals to x mod 2. Okay, and then we lastly have increment and decrement. Increment and decrement are the unary operator that can be used with a single operand. These all are used with two operands, but only increment and decrement can be used only with a single operand. Now next, an expression may appear on the right side of an assignment statement. Example, the expression is always defined on the right hand side of the assignment operator. As you can see, answer is equals to 100 into 31. Answer is the variable in which we will store the result of this expression, and 100 into 31 is the expression. Java expression contains variables, constant or both. For example, assuming that answer, as I told you, answer is a variable and the remaining 100 into 31 is an expression. Now next we come up with the increment and decrement operator. As I told, increment and decrement operators are unary. The same thing is written over here, are used with one variable. You can perform with this increment and decrement operators with the help of one operand. For instance, the increment operator adds one of the operand. If it is written x plus plus, then the value of x will be incremented by 1. That is x plus 1. If you have x is equals to 10 and then you write x plus plus 1, x plus plus. If you write x plus plus, the answer will be, after that, after compilation, the answer will be 11, because x plus plus means x is equals to x plus 1. In the same way, if we do the decrement means x minus minus, that is x is equals to x minus 1. As you can see here, the result is 6. Why? First x was is equals to 5, then y is equals to plus x, that is it is incremented and 6 is the result. In the same way, this is the example. Yeah, there is two difference. If it is written x plus plus, that is like this, then that means first use the value and then increment it. But if it is written like plus plus x, then it means directly incremented by 1. As you can see, this is plus plus x, then we will directly got the output 6. But here when it is written x plus plus, first it was 5, then after that it becomes 6. That is incremented after using ones. Now coming up next, these are the relational operators. Relational operators tells the relation between the two operands. That is, if it is written a greater than b, that means it is showing the relationship that yes, a is greater than b. So relation operators are less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Now let us take an example. Result 1. If a plus b is less than c into d, that is whether the sum of a plus b is less than the multiplication a product of c into d. These are some of the examples. So you got up what is relational operators. Now next is logical expressions. The third set of evaluation operator fall in the category known as logical operation. Logical expression works a bit different. The logical operation थोड़ा बहुत different होता है as compared to relational operator and the arithmetic operators. Now logical operations can be and or. Okay, now you must be thinking what is and or. We use whenever we have a conditions, क्या ये होगा या ये होगा. If we have two conditions and we have to satisfy both the conditions, we use logical and if we have two conditions and we have to decide that या तो ये हो या तो वो वाली हो, means either of the two, then we use or operator. That is like if a is equals to b or a is equals to 10, या तो a का 2 हो या तो 10 हो, इन दोनों में से कोई एक वैल्यू होगी, the condition is true, else the condition is false. And if we want that a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 10, that means a की भी वैल्यू 10 होनी चाहिए and b की वैल्यू भी 10 होनी चाहिए, तभी कंडीशन ट्रू होगी, else आपकी कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगी. This is all about operators. Thank you everyone. Whatever I told you about operators is the basic, and we will do the programming based on operators afterwards. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any queries, any questions regarding this topic, the operators or the previous one, you can comment me down. And our next lesson, the upcoming lesson, will be type conversion, where we will learn how to convert a number, a type into another type. Thank you everyone.